Different types of activewear clothing. Athletic bras, to prevent the painful bounce and stress on your bust area and offer the most support possible during demanding workout sessions. Tights, the narrow fit not only adds style but also makes moving around more comfortable by eliminating friction. T-shirts, stylish racerbacks and patterns, they make it simpler for you to exercise. Sports shorts, sports shorts are quite comfortable and wide elastic banding give further support the abdomen that help to focus on performance. Joggers or track pants, constructed from fabric that wicks moisture away and has a four-way flexibility to allow for easy movement. Tank tops, perfect for hot summer days, lowering body temperature and increasing productivity. Jackets, an outer garment extending either to the waist or the hips, typically having sleeves and a fastening down the front.